Major Tesla Model Y news this week that you do not want to miss. Tesla has shocked everyone by unveiling the brand new long-range rear-wheel drive version of the Model Y in the US, replacing its previous rear-wheel drive model. Sorry Canadians, we have been neglected from this update. Priced at $44,990, and yes, it does qualify for the $7,500 federal tax credit. The effective cost of the new Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive can go as low as $39,130. And wow, that is pretty damn cheap. With an estimated EPA range of 320 miles, a top speed of 135 miles per hour, and a 0 to 60 of a slow 6.5 seconds, 0.1 second faster than the previous rear-wheel drive version, Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive offers impressive specs. The difference in range from the rear-wheel drive version is 60 miles, 53 miles with the optional 20-inch induction wheels. Now, with both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions featuring the same long-range battery, the $3,000 total cost difference between the two powertrains is evident. Opting for the all-wheel drive reduces range slightly by around 10 miles, but significantly improves acceleration of 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. And if you remember, it can go down to 4.2 seconds if you purchase the acceleration boost. The introduction of the Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive marks a shift in Tesla's strategy toward affordability. Originally planned for the US back in 2019, the model was canceled in February 2021, officially in December 2021, as the company prioritized dual motor versions. Now, with price sensitivity driving decisions, the most economical long-range versions are starting to gain more importance. Regarding charging, all current Model Y versions can charge at up to 250 kilowatts, replenishing up to 160 miles of range in 15 minutes, though the retired rear-wheel drive version could handle only up to 170 kilowatts. Tesla has long been preparing for the transition from rear-wheel drive to long-range rear-wheel drive, with recent cars already equipped with larger batteries, as indicated by Elon Musk's tweet. Despite the upgraded battery, the weight of the long-range rear-wheel drive version remains the same at 4,154 pounds. In the near future, users will have the option to unlock the full battery capacity, adding 40 to 60 miles of range to the rear-wheel drive version, transforming it into a long-range rear-wheel drive. This software update is anticipated to cost between $1,500 to $2,000. Speaking of purchasing Model Y updates, we can finally buy Quicksilver as a paint option, but only in the US. In 2022, Tesla debuted the Quicksilver paint option in Europe, initially exclusive to Giga Berlin due to its state-of-the-art paint shop, surpassing those at the Fremont factory and Giga Shanghai. Tesla has since upgraded its Model Y paint facilities at Giga Texas and likely Fremont as well to offer Quicksilver in the US. However, Quicksilver remains unavailable in Canada due to the presence of China imported Model Ys. Now Tesla's made the Quicksilver color accessible to US customers, albeit with a catch. It's only offered on the long-range all-wheel drive and performance variants of the Model Y. Despite the base rear-wheel drive variant's price hike, Tesla is not extending the Quicksilver option to it, steering buyers towards the mid and high-end models. So if you really want to flex on everyone, get the Quicksilver option to let everyone know that you have the all-wheel drive variant. Choosing the long-range all-wheel drive or performance variant on Tesla's website reveals the Quicksilver option under the Paint Choices tab for an extra $2,000. Quicksilver proved immensely popular in Europe, contributing to very strong sales of Giga Berlin-based production of Model Ys. By introducing it in the US, Tesla aims to replicate the success, and ultimately Q2 2024 delivery figures should rise as a result if they're proven successful. And in my personal opinion, the Quicksilver might just be the best Model Y color. And the biggest news for anyone looking to buy a Model Y, in a bid to drive up orders, Tesla is presently offering heavily discounted financing at 0.99% APR for a limited time. Over the past year, Elon Musk has predominantly attributed the company's demand challenges to high interest rates, with interest rates for new vehicle loans currently averaging from 5 to 7%. Last month, Tesla introduced 0% loans in China to stimulate sales. Now, a similar strategy is being used in the US, with Tesla unveiling a new 0.99% APR financing program for the Model Y until May 31st. So let's take a look at Tesla's website for an example. With a $4,250 down payment and a 72-month loan term, the terms translate to monthly payments of $603 for the new Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive, and that's before incentives. And to be eligible, you need to have an individual income of under $150,000 or joint income of under $300,000. And if you're eligible, the monthly payment shrinks to just $499 before factoring in potential gas savings for those transitioning from gas vehicles. A 0.99% APR loan represents almost cost-free financing, a highly appealing prospect for many customers, with monthly payments ranging between $500 to $600 for the world's top-selling electric vehicle. That's right, the Model Y is that, and not only that, it is one of the safest vehicles on the road, if not the safest. So what are my thoughts? Overall, if you do not feel like waiting for the new Model Y Juniper, this may be one of the best deals I personally have seen on any new Model Ys, and be sure to subscribe for more Tesla content because I really know you want to. So just do it, just click that button.